This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terrence Trombetti. Villa Tuscany Condo's patio views have stunning fiery Florida sunsets. Extra large lanai, doubly protected with both impact glass sliding doors and windows and hurricane shutters. The gourmet kitchen is amazing with stainless steel appliances, a huge breakfast bar, and granite counters. Upscale furniture, plantation shutters, beautiful, upscale tile floors throughout, and classy art creates a truly aesthetically pleasing environment. The master bedroom suite is huge, spa-like bathroom, garden tub and walk-in shower. Large guest bedrooms are inviting, have full walk-in closets and decorated for your company or family to wind down at the end of the day. Bull and #X 2019, SI molding around doors, extra recessed lighting, built-in shelving in every closet, plantation shutters, and upgraded fans. Private views of the mangroves and the community pool. Oversized attached 2-car garage, tons of additional storage space. Enjoy golf. Burnt Store Marina's executive golf course has 27 exciting holes designed by world-renowned course designers Garl and McCumber. Burnt Store Marina's executive course is a semi-private course, serving residents in Lee and Amp, Charlotte County and its enthusiastic members. For more information, review the details below.